Hi, I'm Allison Scott with Alley Flower. Today we're going to do a make-it-yourself boutonniere. Materials you'll need: a rose, filler flower, greenery, floral tape, gauge wire, flower clippers, wire clippers, and pins. To make the boutonniere, the first thing you'll do is take your wire. Comes in 1 foot sections. You'll cut the wire in half. You'll need about 6 inches of wire. You'll take your rose and you'll cut it with just maybe an inch of stem coming out. You'll take your rose with your wire and you put it into the stem at the base of your flower where it comes out the other end, and you put your flower in the middle. You take the wire and you bend it down into the stem. You take your tape, your floral tape, you hold it at the base with one finger and pull tight and wrap. As you pull tight with the floral tape, it will become a little bit sticky and adhere to the stem and the wire. Twist and turn with the floral tape all the way down to the end of the wire. You'll take your filler flower and you'll cut it just like you did your rose with about an inch of stem. And you'll take your greenery. It's already been pre-cut with an inch of stem as well. You take your greenery with your rose and you put it along the back like this. You take your filler flower and put it against the side. So it will end up like this. You have everything held together at the base of the rose where the tape is, and you tape again. Again, using the holding with your finger and twisting tight to make the tape sticky. And again, twisting all the way to the base of the wire. You have your boutonniere almost ready. You take your wire cutters and you leave about 1.5 inches of stem that's all wrapped in tape. Cut it with your wire cutters. Take your pin and put it in the back, and you have a boutonniere that's ready to be pinned on. I'm Allison Scott with Alley Flower, and that's how you do a make-it-yourself boutonniere.